How to enable Safari profiles for different social media accounts on your Mac. If you want to keep your personal and work social media accounts separate in Safari, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Safari on your Mac. Next, click Safari in the menu bar and select Settings. Now, click the Profiles tab. Click Start Using Profiles if you haven't created one yet, or click the Add Profile button to create a new profile. Enter a name for the profile, choose a color and icon if you'd like, then click Create Profile. Once your new profile has been created, open a new Safari window using that profile. Now, visit the social media website you want to use, such as Instagram, Facebook, X, or TikTok, and sign in with the account you want to keep separate. You can create additional Safari profiles for your other social media accounts by repeating the same steps. Each profile keeps its own cookies, website data, browsing history, extensions, and sign-in sessions, so your accounts stay completely separate. To switch between profiles, click the Profiles button in the Safari toolbar or open a new window using the profile you want to use. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.